Installing your carbon filter. Your package comes with the carbon filter itself, a mounting bracket with screws, bolts, washers, and a wing nut, and a large neoprene gasket. To install, you'll simply squeeze the mounting bracket and insert it into the venting collar on the back of your box. You'll secure in place using the included screws and bolts. Once finger tight, you'll use a Phillips screwdriver to complete the tightening. Next, you'll place the neoprene gasket around the collar and push firmly until it's seated all the way around. Place the carbon filter over the mount with the side that has the perforated holes inside facing towards the machine. Place the wing nut on the bolt and tighten. You want to ensure that the wing nut is tight enough to provide a good seal around the gasket to prevent odors from escaping. BCNL. Freedom to grow.